You took you call your girlfriend?
First time I hear chicken banana. Chicken banana. You are so funny.
Come join.
Do you think paya?
Chicken pie.
Paya.
Pie. Yeah.
Malo?
What
Yeah.
paya?
Chicken
No.
pie. Here.
Paya.
Yeah. I hear.
Not chicken paya. Just lamb. Paya.
What of lampaya?
Pie.
You know, I know the Bangladesh is too much always spicy. It always is spicy, right?
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
Here different type of spicy food in our country.
Always spicy. Always is spicy.
Yeah. Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
In banana.
Chicken banana.
How can you make chicken banana?
Chicken with banana. You cook the chicken, but then you put the banana.
You cut chicken and you cut
Chicken
banana, then it mixed. Then
You
it
know,
mixed.
You boil the chicken and then put the banana.
Yeah.
You want to eat food, Filipino food. You know adobo. Adobo is good. You
Yes.
put masapin no, cookie yung pinanyahan na manok. Pineapple chicken. You know pineapple chicken? It's good.
I know different ways. I know another
Adobo.
pineapple and another chicken,
Ay?
but
Huwag ka lang maingit. Lahat paborito ko. Paborito ko yung adobo kayo. Adobong isda?
Ano? Kanina niluto kami.
Ano? Oo. Tapos ang sarap niyan, yung maanghang, spicy. Ay, sarap. Ang sarap niyan, yung adobong spicy. Ay. Oh, wala.
Cookie eats a lot of food. Eating
always
and
see me,
eating.
but then he not give to me.
Okay, both are came in here, and I cook for you chicken curry, mutton, and so on.
You eat chicken curry, huh?
Yeah,
You eat
chicken
chicken curry.
curry.
Balik ko hindi.
Here chicken curry is so popular.
Nakain ka ba chicken curry?
Oo, sarap yun. Paborito ko yun. Chicken curry, adobo. Chicken curry, adobong
Right dito?
Chicken
Chicken curry
curry.
dito?
Ang chicken curry dito. Ay, sa Saudi gumawa din kami ng chicken curry. Namili kami ng gata dito. May gata dito eh. Diba? Yung gata na powder.
Meron.
Nagawa hindi ako nagawa dito, tinatamad ako magluto dahil itong kasama ko wala din sa ayos, tamad din. Ano yun, ako na lang lagi. Ako pala, alam mo, ako rin laging gumagasto sa kanya.
Matapang yung curry niya dito.
Oo, matapang curry nila dito. Masyado makulay.
Mas matapang pa sa'yo.
Ang tapang? Grabe. Jahil.
Yes, Habibi, when you
Pero,
see in
If it-
when you see in your
Yung chicken curry
Filipino,
dito maganda sa isda.
I say when you see Filipino friend, Filipino relatives, you feel a lot
Yung curry niya dito,
good.
But then he coming. Later coming.
Yeah.
para siyang yung luya na in-order na luya, ganun yung curry nila dito eh.
Hi,
Alam mo
my
yung luyang dilaw?
life. Hello. Oo. I'm good. How
Parang ganun
about
yun.
you? Oo, yung kulay nga, yung kulay niya nga, dilaw siya. Yung ano nila dito, curry nila, masyadong madilaw.
Yun nga, parang luyang dilaw yun. Kaya maganda siya sa isda.
Yun nga, sa isda maganda. Pero yung sa manok, masyadong malasa. Masyadong na ano yung lasa niya.
Para siyang turmeric eh, ganun.
Come join my life.
My life.
Good, Jahid, good. You asking, yala, shall we?
Shall we?
You see, you know me, I not jumping. I cannot talk people. You see me, you not see me any broad here because I don't like jumping like that.
No.
I don't like jumping, but only me in my broad. I open me my broad. If you not coming my broad, it's okay, no problem. Right? But I don't like jumping any broad. But only my friend. You know my friend Ann? Ann is only Ann, my friend, and Ate Sandra. Bas, only this.
I cannot go
Pero
to
any, I
jumping,
don't
but
like.
I came in here late.
Well, I don't like jumping.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Don't jump. Only walk.
Not jumping.
You running, no problem.
Are you eating bread?
Apple.
Apple.
Yeah.
Apple.
Yeah, apple. Finish finish biscuit.
Yeah.
Finish biscuit, but then now is apple.
Here we say it apple.
Apple.
In Bangla we say it apple.
Visitor pa mo.
Yeah.
Marami po pasok sa akin na visitor eh. Bahala kayo mag-visitor kayo dyan. Alam.
Okay, my dear friend. Here 2 o'clock. See you later.
Now running?
2 o'clock.
Don't jumping. Running only.
No jumping. But lying.
Only running.
Only lying.
Lying in the bed.
Lying in the bed. Okay, Cookie, bye. Bye, my dear friend Habibi. See you later.
Bye. See
Okay,
you.
take care to yourself.
Thank you for coming, my friend. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Good night.
Take care to yourself. Good night also.
Bye.